Now I will request our Circle Secretary, Esenia Maharaj Circle, Comrade Ms. Ansuji, kindly present a memento to our today's chief guest, Chief General Manager Telecom Maharaj Circle, Sri A.D. Kulkarni sir. Now I will request Honorable Chief General Manager Telecom Maharaj Circle, Sri A.V. Kulkarni sir, kindly address this huge gathering of Esenia Maharaj Circle. Please.
Thanks for the applause. First of all, I express I'm sorry I became late by some time because of something happened on the road. Due to this, the schedule was slightly changed. Today's president of this session, Mr. Bhatt, Circle President, Esenia Maharashtra Circle. Mr. Jogi, President, SNA, Political President, SNA. Then Mr. Sebastian, General Secretary, SNA. Mr. Ravi, GM Goa. Mr. Arsul, Circle Secretary, SNA. Mr. Manani. Mr. Prasad from MTNL. And all other officers who have come from nook and corner of Maharashtra Circle here. Friends, I am happy to be here on the occasion of 5th Circle Conference of SNEA, being held in this beautiful Goa state. Of course, I am not new to Goa. I mean, I do keep on coming to Goa very often. Earlier, I used to come very often. Goa is known to me very well. Today morning also we had a meeting with GM Goa and to sort out his issues and other things. Before my coming here, a lot of issues have been raised by various speakers. First of all, I would like to say that I look everything positively, and wherever I worked, I worked in West Bengal also. It was supposed to be the so-called worst SSA in BSNL, that was Asansol in West Bengal. But I could do something there also. Then I was in Nasik. Some people expressed about the Nasik and all. Then I was in Satara. Kalyan also Kalyan also, in Maharashtra they say Kalyan is, better not to work, like this is the reputation of Kalyan. But still, with the help of all the officers present here, and other officers who are not present here also, with the help of them, I could do something. And just now I got a message from Mr. AMC that we could commission some 5 RSUs in Kalyan and all. So, what I think is that if all the people come together, definitely we can do marvels. That is there. I will just present you some figures, and my sincere hope is that the last whatever happened in last 3-4 years, BSNL has earned more and more losses. Earlier it was 500 crore, then 1,000, then 2,000, 8,000, like that. But now the time has come that we are bottomed out. As far as Maharashtra Circle is concerned, I'd like to say that as compared to 31,312 and 31,313, if you compare the figures, we have earned 62 crores more in Maharashtra Circle. In 12-13, compared to 11-12, we have earned 62 crores more. Maybe percentage wise it is only 0.2% more, but that going from, the negative sign has vanished and we have plus sign. That is most important. Similarly, same trend is continuing in the current year also. From, if you compare the figures of April to July 12 and April to July 13. Again, just yesterday only I got the figures. Here again the total revenue of Maharashtra Circle has increased by plus 1.5% in first quarter. The broadband revenue has increased by 16%, plus 16. Of course, there is negative for landline and mobile. We are not negative, we are plus 0.36%. Though we are talking of mobile services of Maharashtra Circle, but still, in spite of all these drawbacks, the revenue earned is plus 0.36% compared to the previous year of the same period. So, when I look at these figures, I just feel that the turnaround is slowly coming, and maybe in the coming years will definitely go ahead. Even I can say that the loss of Maharashtra Circle, the last 3-4 years when Maharashtra Circle was a loss, that loss has been reduced by about 350 crores compared to 11-12 and 12-13. The loss has been reduced by 350 crores. Maybe now I hope that my aim is that, my ambition is that when we review the figures on 13-14, Maharashtra Circle should be at least positive. That is my aim, and I'm working towards it. So what I want to suggest to this gathering is that the turnaround is coming. We are bottomed out. Whatever negatives were there, we are bottomed out, and we are turning around. Slowly we come out of this situation. And in spite of all the things which Mr. Sebastian has mentioned right now, the material shortage, this, that, funds not available. In spite of all these things, we are able to bottom it out. That is creditable, and credit goes to all our officers and staff. All officers and staff. My sincere faith, always I say in any meeting when I speak to associations and unions, that I got full faith in my officers and staff. HR is a big asset. For any organization, HR is a big asset. The organization will go up because of HR, organization will go down only because of HR again. So that is most important. We have to work as a team spirit, as a whole, as a one entity. If you work with one entity and one aim, everything can be achieved. Everything can be achieved. As far as the issues raised here are concerned, the material, I will just clarify about material shortages and all. As far as Maharashtra Circle is concerned, we are having enough EPBTs in field. There is no shortage of EPBT now, at least in current year. The broadband modems also are available. Then a 5-layer cable has been ordered by Maharashtra Circle about 15 days back itself. The tender was finalized, order has been placed, and maybe by September 8th, the 5-layer cable will start arriving. OFC is available, optical fiber cable is available in sufficient quantity, PLA pipe is available in sufficient quantity. Then the what shortage we are facing is the UG cable shortage. Of course, the UG cable shortage also, it has the supply has to come from corporate office. But I was told that tender is almost finalized now, and the allotment also we received some allotment from corporate office. And I would like to tell all of you that whatever allotment has been issued by corporate office, the maximum allotment has been given to Maharashtra Circle. Whatever cable is going to be purchased by corporate office, when I saw the chart of allotment circle wise, then around 10% of the allotment has been given to Maharashtra Sarkar. And even after that, I was not satisfied. So I asked my GM Sefe to issue letter that since Maharashtra Circle is the biggest circle of BSNL, for your information, whatever revenue is earned by BSNL, the 10% revenue is earned by Maharashtra Circle. Maharashtra Circle contributes 10% revenue to BSNL. And just last week, the GM Lee Circuit, Anup Kumar was in Bombay. He just met me and I asked him about just discussing about Lee Circuit, and he told, sir, we are having a lot of hopes from Maharashtra Circle. And we depend on Maharashtra Circle virtually, because out of total Lee Circuit revenue, 25% revenue comes from Maharashtra Circle. 1/4 of revenue Lee Circuit of BSNL comes from Maharashtra Circle. The total target for Lee Circuit revenue is around 3,500 crore for BSNL. Out of that, the target for Maharashtra Circle is 750 crores. And I was going through the targets for different circles. The other circles are much behind. Even Karnataka Circle, Tamil Nadu, their targets is 200, 250. Some circles are having 10 crore, 15 crore, 20 crore also. Whereas the target of Maharashtra Circle is 750 crores. So that is, please remember that we are working in a biggest circle, and the corporate office is having big hopes from Maharashtra Circle. When my posting was getting decided, people told me, no, Maharashtra Circle is very big circle, and like that some talk was going on. So there are hopes from Maharashtra Circle, so there is great responsibility on all the officers of Maharashtra Circle that we have to contribute, and we are able to contribute. That is most important thing, is that we are able to contribute. A lot of businesses there in Maharashtra, and they keep eye on Maharashtra Circle for revenue and like that. Here I would like to mention one thing also. Now Mr. Prasad from MTNL is here. From last 2-3 months onwards, we have taken a lot of steps to have coordination with MTNL and have synergy between two organizations. I can tell you, after joining in April, just within 10-15 days we had one meeting with one vendor, and he was complaining about these circuits and then this service like that. And then he mentioned, because most of circuits are being maintained by Maharashtra Circle, the orders are also grabbed by Maharashtra Circle. So he was mentioning that there have been a lot of problems in Delhi side and Bombay and like that. Then I understood that the issue, because most of the headquarters are in Mumbai or Delhi for all the big organizations. And the last mile network, there are a lot of issues. From MTNL side, there is no proper coordination. Then my GM mentioned that Delhi is very difficult to get officers from Delhi and like that, so on and so forth. And then that fellow vendor mentioned that, sir, for us, you are one. We don't know about MTNL and BSNL. As far as we are concerned, you are one. We feel that you are still DOT or whatever it is, a government organization. Then I also realized the cleverness of the situation, and then we took some steps. And now, after 3 or 4 months efforts, lot of coordination is there in Maharashtra Circle. Mr. Prasad mentioned that now one SD has been posted by MTNL in Juhu office for the coordination. Before that posting of SD, we had one coordination meeting with the GM EB of MTNL and our EB team. And many of the issues were sorted out. Then now recently, Mr. Sunil Kumar has joined as Director HR in MTNL. He was our earlier colleague in Satara, and he has worked in Satara and all, and Pune also. So he, once 15 days back, he came to Mumbai, he met me, and I told Sunil, you have to do something and see that these small issues are sorted out, and we work as one. As far as the Lee circuits are concerned, imperial circuits are concerned, then he informed me that they are already, the coordination committee has been formulated, the agreement has been signed by BSNL and MTNL, and now issues have been settled. What I have settled is that whatever rates BSNL, suppose BSNL gets business at certain rates, the same rates MTNL will agree. MTNL will not ask for any further rate or something like that. And whatever last mile connectivity is there, MTNL will get his share. That's all. I can, because now Mr. Jogi also is here, Sebastian is here, you are all here. I'll give one example only, that ED MTNL spoke to me that we actually we wanted to lease circuits to the MIDC, and Marol MIDC in Mumbai, they were headquarters of MIDC. They wanted one circuit to be commissioned at the hands of our state minister, and after that many other circuits in Maharashtra else will be commissioned. Then the circuit was pending for almost about 1 month because MTNL was not providing last mile connectivity. That was in the month of April end, I am telling you. The last mile connectivity was pending because MTNL was saying you are not paying us, you are getting business but you are not paying us. Then the things came to me, then I had to speak to ED MTNL, and then he also lamented that we both are batchmates, so we can speak in different language. अरे भाई हमें कुछ मिलता ही नहीं है, आप तो पूरा पैसा कमा दे उसमें, हमें जो भी हमें 1 किलोमीटर 2 किलोमीटर केबल डाउन उसका पैसा तो हमें दे दो. Whosoever give, whether the MIDC gives to us or BSNL gives to us, I don't know, but I mean MTNL situation is worse than BSNL, that everybody knows. Then I just talked to JM Finance and sorted out the issue, and within 2-3 days time we issued the whatever last mile charges we issued check from BSNL from our office. We gave the check, hard cash we gave to MTNL, and he told me give me cash, and within 2 days I'll commission, and after within 2 days we get a check to MTNL. After that 2 days the circuit was commissioned and minister could inaugurate. So things are unnecessary in the line pending. So this is how we are able to sort it out, and now after 4 months of period, the MTNL, at least in MTNL Mumbai, we are having very good coordination, and most of the issues are getting sorted out. When we reviewed the e-circuit position just last week when we had the coordination meeting, many e-circuits were pending just because of some coordination. I mean, and MTNL Mumbai, all the organizations, they want a very high speed. Everybody in when I went to the list of the pending e-circuits, people want 30 MB, 40 MB, 50 MB, 100 MB, and like that. Those such type of circuits they require for the headquarters at Mumbai and the other their big places. Those all in one meeting of 2 hours we could sort out many of the issues. So this is how we can always go ahead. Now this is one of the aspects of going ahead, that we should have a proper coordination between MTNL and BSNL, and just now I suggested Mr. Jogi also that the merger has to take place. I mean it cannot be delayed further. Okay, it may be a political issue, there may be some other issues involved, and I don't want to go in, but at least if the merger is getting delayed because of some political issue, at least synergy has to be there. At officer level, at ED level, and CMD BSNL are concerned head of circle like CGM Maharashtra and then Delhi Telephones and nearby areas. There has to be 100% synergy so that customer doesn't suffer. That's all. So that we both get business and both earn. That's all. Let both earn and both survive. If that motto is kept in front, definitely the future for both is good. So the one example I just told you that. With the proper synergy, we will definitely go ahead. As far as material is concerned, I told you the material is available. Underground cable we will be getting within 2 months' time because allotment is there. We have even apart from 10% of whatever cable has been allotted to us, we have issued letter to corporate office that give us some more. On the pretext that you know that in Maharashtra we are having 5 big SSAs which have been selected to monitor by corporate office, and more than 80 proposals have been already approved for the new exchanges and the developmental areas. And on that pretext, I asked additional allotment of cable. Let us see that if you get additional cable, it is well and good. Even if we get whatever 10% allotment, with that definitely we can go ahead and we can give more number of connections in broadband. Then the battery, about the battery also somebody mentioned here, the battery tender we are going to finalize. Already tender has been opened, it is under evaluation. Maybe within 15-20 days time we'll finalize and we'll place the order. So the batteries will be available. Here of course there is some funds crunch is there. I mean I'll just Sebastian that our total requirement of battery the funds is around 18 crores and we have received allotment of 10 crores. But still we have floated tender for about 18 crores in the hope that in the next budget estimate we will receive further funds. Then about the mobile, of course mobile definitely there are a lot of issues are there which are being faced by Maharashtra Circle for so long. But one by one issues we are sorting out, and just about 15 days back the Alcatel and HCL, which were the main vendors for us, they had withdrawn support from February onwards, but about just 15 days back they both have come back. And Alcatel and HCL now both are supporting whatever equipment they have supplied, they are supporting for the maintenance. So there is a good development which has happened, and henceforth at least now the support will be available from both the vendors. They have come back. I mean, the agreement is not signed so far. That escrow account we must have, there is no open so far. We are waiting for the escrow account, but when we found that the escrow account is getting delayed, ITI is delaying, I mean, day by day. So at least, I mean, some promises we have made. And from my side also, I told that whatever pending bills are there will be settled as early as possible. Anyway, they have come back. 15 days back, both have come back. And though AMC is not signed, because the warranty issue is still pending. The warranty issue also I am going to sort out within 1 week. Now, we are studying that. So some issues are there, but that are being like warranty. I mean, I will assure you in front of all of you that now we have seized the issue. Within a week or 10 days, the warranty issue will be sorted. Once the warranty issue is sorted out, the Alcatel will be definitely in a more positive way. They will support whatever the issue of the repair of cards, etc. is there. That also, once that is warranty issue sorted out, those issues like repair of cards and all, those will be all over. So I hope that at least within a month's time, the operation maintenance part will be more comfortable on GSM. Regarding this HGSN and GGSN, that issue, of course, it has already been told by Mr. Sebastian that we will take help of the South Zone, and the director team also has agreed. And the expansion at our nodal center at Pune, it may take some more time. So that issue also will be over. About the new BTS, definitely there is, I mean, wherever I go, as a CGM, the people, I mean, I get the feedback that mobile service will require a lot of additional BTS and all. Here, of course, I mean, I cannot give any assurance to this gathering because things are, I mean, out of my control. The new tender, phase 7 tender for West Zone, it just opened last week. Now, I mean, it may take some time to finalize, but the volume in the end is very less. It's only 2 lakh lines for West Zone, I think. So that 2 lakh lines for West Zone is a peanut for us. 640. Maybe 2 lakh for Maharashtra, sorry. 2 lakh for Maharashtra, but when, because I was told that
7 lakhs is for West.
7 lakh, for West Zone, but not the 2 lakh is for Maharashtra Circle. But that is not, it is maybe some 20% of our requirement also. But anyway, let us, I mean, we'll get something, so wherever important places are there, we'll be able to install, provided the tender gets finalized and orders are issued. Because if we get finalized, the orders are issued, then supply, it may take after December or so. Till that time?
It's a good step because we are going out of IT.
Yeah.
Acha, okay.
We are going out of IT.
They are not procuring through.
Acha, through IT is not.
It is
Okay.
that is
the direct.
Okay, that is good thing then. Yes. So if that thing happens, then it is good. Then at least to some extent will progress on the mobile front also. Then as far as HR issues are concerned, the D looking after and the DGM looking after already the DGM. I mean the proposal has been already. We have, as a principal, we have approved about some 250 Ds and about 35 DGs we are going to be looking after arrangement. and we could not issue order because of the delay in vigilance clearance received from the vigilance section. So for DGM, looking after vigilance clearance has been received just 2 days back. Maybe after going back tomorrow, within 2-3 days, the orders will be issued for DGM looking after. DGM looking after already in the case, I mean, it has been progress, it has been sent for vigilance clearance. As soon as we get vigilance clearance, all other things, the background is ready in my office about posting, etc. Where vacancies are available and all these things. Once we get vigilance clearance, maybe within a week or 10 days time, these orders also will be issued. So these, we have progressed a lot on that issue. About the 3G, there is a pet issue of Mr. Arsul. Now, I don't mind providing 3G to all of you, but our pipeline is not able to sustain. I mean, as we have discussed that the GDS issue has to be sorted out, the impedance issue has to be sorted out. So, I mean, that issue is under active consideration. I mean, because see, there is no point in giving service, but if you are not able to use it, what is there? What is there?
We are confident, sir, you will solve this issue. My director traffic zone has yes told. So we take up diversion traffic.
So that 3G issue, of course, is under active consideration in our office. It is there is no point. There is no point. But if you want, I will say that within 1 week it will be clear. Okay. Within 1 week. So giving facility, there is no issue at all. So. Pardon?
Before Ganpati.
Before Ganpati. Then apart from other issues, I would like to use this forum that Maharashtra Circle is going for ERP. You are all aware, and the Maharashtra Circle is the last POC circle for ERP, and the target assigned by our director CFA is October 1st week. So almost, I mean, most of the work has been done. The initial work of training, etc., has been done. The templates are being filled up by all the SSAs. But now we have to gear up fast and see that all the templates are filled up by September end, so that we are ready for go live by October 1st week. So this is one, like CDR, this will be one big jump going to happen for Maharashtra Circle. And since Maharashtra Circle is the biggest circle, and now we are also having some feedback from the implementation Karnataka Circle. So that feedback is there with us, with HCL and with core team also. So with that background, everybody is hoping that Maharashtra Circle should not pose much problem like in Karnataka Circle. And definitely after the implementation of ERP, there will be immense benefits for our overall working. That be sure in your mind that once ERP is implemented, the whole efficiency will rise, efficiency of any organization. Because the internal processes are there, the file movements are there, the material is one big portion, material and finance. These two are the main important points are there. And on that issue there will be full transparency, and there will be, but delay will be cut short. Material issue and the issue of finances. Here what happens, we know that the material is one issue, another one is our vendors, contractors, they complain that a lot of delay in making payment. So that delay also will be cut short like anything. On these two fronts, we'll be most happy, and I mean we can say, as far as other circles will be most efficient, will become most efficient and professional also. So this ERP will be implemented in Maharashtra Circle. I mean by October definitely, and once that is over, there will be again another jump from Maharashtra Circle. So with all these efforts, the material availability, the coordination with MTNL, then the ERP implementation, and with the help of all of you, I definitely hope that next year I want to leave this department with the positive note that Maharashtra Circle has entered Maharashtra Circle profitable. So That is my motto, and I sincerely request all of you to help me. We have to all work in a team spirit, friends. The competitive situation is there, but we should always, I mean, when we discuss, we always say that if the other fellow, the fellow sitting in front of you is smart, you become smarter. That's all. That is the only solution to it. साहब उसके पास ऐसा है, उसके पास वैसा है, ठीक है, उसके पास जो भी है वो है. If he is smart, you become smarter. Then only you survive in this world. Otherwise, you can't survive. See, if we have to survive, then definitely you become smarter. Become more. I mean, competition is there, yes, but you face the competition. Then our tariffs are always comparable. You know. On this, I will give two examples. That even though competition is there, the private fellows and all this, I think the fellows from Satara must be here. Anybody from Satara is here? The Satara District Cooperative Bank, they wanted their network. They had some 280 branches all over Satara district. So private, I mean, they have some IT vendor. Every bank has got appointed some IT fellow for their implementation. So that IT fellow brought proposal that he told that one private operator that told that they will do it with 90 lakhs, that network. But and then he told I will do this, wireless, this, that, something, he gave some proposal. And then they approached to us also, the Satara District Cooperative Bank. And our proposal, because ours is on OFC, optical fiber. Most of this OFC is there, at some places OFC was to be installed. So including all that costing, etc., we told that our costing is 2.7 crores. The private fellow told costing of 90 lakhs, and we told the costing in 2.7 crores. Then they came for negotiation to our EV team and all the, it was going on. Then my GMB told that, sir, we cannot go to 90 lakhs. It is not possible at all. That then let us see what happens. Then after 2-3 months, they realized that private fellow is not capable. Somebody, they might have got some feedback, etc. They again approached us and they asked for how much you can reduce, some negotiation, some discount you can always give. We know that. Then after some 1 or 2 meetings, we gave discount, and the final proposal was presented to us. Then was for 2.3 lakhs or 2.3 crores. From 2.8 we came down to 2.3 crores. But still 90 lakh and 2.3 lot of difference was there. And that proposal has gone through. They have paid the money, 2.3 crore also. See, I mean, this is how I am telling that though it is competition, but we have got our own strengths. That we are always forgetting. That we have got our own strengths with us. They know that in the rural area, other than BSNL, nobody is there. Whatever private fellow will say, he may add some salt and sugar, and then he will tell, but he has no capability. Ultimately, he has to take from BSNL or somebody else and like that, some promise something, give something else. So that is there. So they know that in rural area, where BSNL is number one in that. BSNL is a government company. We are fully transparent. Our tariffs are fully transparent. There is nothing that we want to earn extra profit or something like that. It's a normal profit what we earn. So all that, I mean, the strengths of as a government company weighed in our favor. And from 90 lakhs, the proposal we finalized for 2.3 crores. So that is how we have got, the BSNL has got the name in market. Another example I will tell you about, recently just a few days back, we have finalized about the Saraswat Bank. There is also a big bank in Maharashtra, cooperative bank. There also same thing happened. And then after some 2-3 meetings, etc., the private fellow had given about proposal about 1.2 something, we finalized it for 2.1 crore. And they signed the contract with us. This again on the basis of the strengths of our BSNL. So the ample scope is there for us to grow and develop and show our strength. Only thing we should have a mindset to go ahead, work with positive mindset, work as a one team. Please keep in mind our strengths, whatever strengths are there of BSNL, and definitely we will succeed. We will go ahead. Maybe within 3-4 years of time, I mean, again we can achieve the old glory. That is my confidence is there in that, and that confidence is based on your capability of all the officers and staff. So, with this note, I will end that. Please work with positive mindset. Take care of. Sebastian already told about customer care and all this. The customer care is must, and the service quality. If you maintain service quality, customer care, and work with positive attitude, anything can be achieved, and definitely BSNL will become number one. So that is the message from me, and I again thank Mr. Arsul and his team for inviting me here to be with you in today's session. I'm happy that you listened so peacefully to me for the last 15-20 minutes.
Or 20 minutes, sir, about 25 minutes.
गढ़चिरोली का क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Okay, that will do, no problem. There is no issue at all. No issue at all. Actually, that whoever posted out of Maharashtra, that definitely will send the letter, and then. Of course, when the letter goes to corporate office, I will request Sebastian to help me. That's all. So thanks a lot once again, and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. This house is representing entire Maharashtra and every SSA of Maharashtra. Sir, definitely your message will pass to the entire Maharashtra. Sir, very much thankful for providing the statistical information about the revenue sides, current position about the store material. But sir, I would like to give one example of one SSA regarding battery sets. Ahmednagar SSA is having 573 battery sets, 418 are already life expired. General Manager Ahmednagar, he has written a draft letter to General Manager NWP and CFA Maharashtra Circle, having 6 annexures and 23 pages and copy to CGMT Maharashtra Circle. So this is just for your information because battery conditions are very poor in the fields. Now I will request